What's up, y'all? So I have a really cool video for you guys today. Got a little bit of onboard camera footage here. So this is from Jacksonville Speedway. It's our home track. We were rolling off first in this heat race. We went quick time in our group. So, and that's it's a first for us. So I knew the car was really good. I just had to go out here and do my job, and just really want to put a whole night together here. So I think it's a really cool view. I apologize about the roll bar. It's in the way. I'll definitely position the camera better next time. But nonetheless, enjoy. Getting ready to come to green here. They're in my ear talking, saying get lined up. We're going green on the backstretch here. Get the car up on the bars. I'm riding the brake and gas here, as you can tell by the attitude of the car and the sound of it. Get a good jump here, and we definitely got it. So right there we have a car turnaround, turn 4, so that's with the caution obviously. It's kind of one of, I think we're, I don't know, maybe 4 laps in or so. I didn't really keep count, but it's one of those moments where you can finally catch your breath a little bit. I was really trying to hustle the car, and I was over driving it a few times, and right here I take a look up at Dad right there, just nodded at him, and he was giving me a sign just to say, hey, you know, you're good, just keep doing what you're doing, hit your marks. So knew we were pretty good, didn't hear anybody, didn't see anybody, so just going to keep running my race here and see what happens. right there, guys, was actually a checkered flag. I didn't realize it. I just split 2 lap cars. They were kind of all over the place. I had no idea where either of them were going to go. I decided to go to the bottom just to take the shortest way around the track, and that was Austin Cease, the guy that ran second to us. He's bearing down on us pretty good there, and I didn't realize he was that close, but luckily we snuck away with a good win, and boy, as you can see, I'm excited. So the car was really good, especially after that last restart. It was, I don't know, it seemed to come to life a little bit better. So that's some free entertainment there, that's for sure. You know, it's just raw emotion. It may just be a heat race win, but you know, at the end of the day, you know, it's hard to win in these. You know, we spend a lot of time and money and effort working on these cars and trying to get all the speed you can out of them. So when you perform like that and the car's really good, you know, you can't help but just show some emotion. So yeah, definitely excited right there. So the family that's walking up behind us here, behind the car, they're from Missouri. They were pitted next to us at Fairbury at the shootout the week prior to this race, and I think they had family racing here in Jacksonville that night. And it was really good to see them. You know, it's pretty cool, the racing community. You know, you spend 2 or 3 days next to people in the pit area. You know, you get to be pretty good friends. And anyway, it was really cool to see them. So. Man, what a good win, and we ended up rolling off third in the feature. Unfortunately, I lost a lot of that footage. Had some camera issues in the feature, so I think I only got the start of the race. It's maybe only a minute long, but anyhow, thanks for watching, guys. Appreciate it. If you haven't yet, please subscribe to the YouTube channel, give it a like. I'd really appreciate it.